How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove admin from Facebook page. First of all, open Facebook. Click on the menu from the bottom right corner. Click on Privacy. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings, which is the very first option. Then click on Page Settings. Scroll down and click on Page Access. From here, you can control who has access to it. Click on Add New in front of people with Facebook access. Then click on Next. Type the name of the person you want to make an admin. Select that person and click on Give Access. Type the profile password to confirm that this person should have access to manage this page on Facebook. Click on Confirm. An invitation has been sent to that person. By clicking on 3 dots, you can also cancel the invitation. That's how you can remove admin from Facebook page. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.